guys, today we're going to taste slime. Look how nice it is. Do you know? Let's add some beautiful thing. Look. That's enough, I think. It's perfect. Yes.